looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. We'll talk about them again, you keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in, well I guess that you're right. But fake has been never my type, and I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night. Then you came in my life, you're different than them. I'm used to them playing pretend. I'm used to you're only a friend. Felt deep with each letter you send. I'm questioning loving again. I'm questioning when it will end. But until I break it, my heart don't break even. I want this for longer than only a season. And you didn't break me, you came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet him, wish I could see him one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that his sun is here, focus and change. And hear him laugh when I tell him about the stories we made, pretending like I'm okay. I'm broken and you know it. Building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face told me focus. You're not the only one that's been broken. I'm hoping you open up. I thought what? Thinking that I'm always hoping, but I realize I've been swollen shut. There's more to us, there's more to love than surface lust, the surface front. And the night I might spill my guts, she said. Sense that you're insecure. Can't tell what he did before to make you feel like you're less, you're more. Your clothes the floor. I guess I got a glass full of feelings that I overpour. And I can't handle my liquor. We get love drunk and we keep getting sicker. I tell you you're worth it, and something gets triggered, you start crying. Like Mark, why you lying? Your beautiful body and mind, you're rolling your eyes. I get that you're trying. See, lately my heart is surrounded by lines. But if you have time, I would love for you to bear with me. Look up at the stars and just stare with me. Travel around the world through the air with me. I just wanna be with someone that'll care with me, there with me when it all comes crumbling down. And pick up all the parts of me you see on the ground. I gave him all of me and he was fucking around. Look longer than nasty, how I'm supposed to pick and they pounds, damn. I know you're feeling distant, saying men are all the same, I can tell you different. No, I don't deserve a chance, but you down listen. A broke rapper with a dream and a grand vision. I'm damn driven and you know that I'm believing in you. You focus on the things you said you never could do. You focus on the drama, all you need is the truth. And you to see what I see in you, if only I could too. I don't wanna be in memory, wanna wake up and see you next to me, wanna dream. Stare at me, all of a sudden they wanna care for me. Full of love, but I hand it out carefully. Waited tables, turning tables, don't sit at my dinner table. Look, my team is a restaurant 5-star. I've seen you been serving bagels. Yeah. I write lines for a living, wish I had a lifeline. Can you tell I'm not fine? When I'm down, I write better. Yeah, that's the upside. Look around and tell me what you see. A lot of people don't know what I mean. The little things you wanna keep in your life is something that you will eventually be. I heard we live inside a prison. Yeah, what does that mean to me? I always think about the person I'll be if I pick up the keys. I'm not ready for that yet. See the future in my bed, see the future in my head. Yeah, if any of you wanna shout out the crown, aim that gun in my head. Yeah, I'm just plain, I could care less. I won't be on your level if I tried less. I'm a fan of watches, but I never wear them, cause I'm timeless. I digest, took the L out of limit, cause I'm it. Took the pain that I processed, turned it to progress. Not a fan of money, ties me down, but it suits me well, that's a profit.
I'm sick, sorry, no medicine. Pendant in motion like pendulums. People don't get the point, so let me write you a pentagram. Selling your soul for a tuna can. Garbage man, sound like you auto-tuna can. Who are you again? Screwing loose again. You are not the man, couldn't picture that. Founding Instagram, everybody sleeping, everybody sleeping, every year before this was a war on sleeping pills. I don't see him keeping up. Hard to keep my manners, but I'm nicer with a pen. See the world in different colors, love and hate to see them blend. Everybody want the product, not the work, so they pretend like they got it, but they don't know wonder when it's gonna end. Yeah. A lot of people love to talk, why don't they love to show up? Too many drinks inside a controller. I don't need Jay to tell you it's over. Never play poker, all of my chips on my shoulder. Pick you apart, you a clover, flirting with the stars, made a house among them, that's a Casanova. Listen, I'm only 22, but I feel like 59. I love the diamond on your neck, show me the diamond in your mind. A lot of rappers in their feelings, they see the numbers doing great. They see the food that's on the plate, so they got nothing else to say. I'm not like any of you, 550 too many of you. Where's the pen skill in any of you? I guess they really let anyone through. Blood on a page, they say it ain't mine. We'll pay you attention, we'll give you a dime. Doing me, I do it all the time. I'm a kind human, losing faith in humankind. If I'm not on your list, you can keep me off it. When this thing starts moving, better see you often. Love talking about life, now I'm handing coffins. I won't marry Jane, cause I'll be married popping. Not even stopping, too much fire dropping. Fueling NASA rockets, this was cake, no one could top it. More I try to see myself together, the more they seem to say I lost it. Timid with it, I just go and live it. Quarter life is coming, I'ma go and flip it. Sick of every leader, A to Z, you get it. Sick of all of you, guess I'm alphabetic. Wait for album 2 if you're a fan or critic. If you're sleeping on me, I'ma leave you in it. Yeah, I got a plan, I call it go and get it.
On the bright side, yeah.